Hey guys, it's Chris Elsis here, owner of Smart Home Air and Heat. I just wanted to say happy 4th of July to you. Happy Independence Day. I also want to give a special shout out to all of our first responders and all of our military, especially those who gave their lives and sacrificed themselves so we could be here today. As a special, any first responder, any military this weekend that has any HVAC issues whatsoever, there is no service fee whatsoever. We'll come out there and we will make sure we fix your unit as quick as possible. We'll stay in our 90-minute guarantee arrival window. For everybody else, I do have some weekend specials going on, and they're going to be. Oh, hold on a second. The owner of this house right here is waving me down. 1 second. Well, before I go into this house and get to work, I just want to let you know what the weekend specials were. This weekend only, if you purchase any equipment from us, some of you have probably been on the fence about, do I need to get the equipment now? Do I need to get it later? Well, if you get it this weekend, we're going to give you a 3-night, 4-day vacation anywhere in Florida you want to go. It's just a quick weekend getaway. Also, too, don't forget, we have the $2,500 trade-in. Any condition, any year, any make, any model. If you purchase equipment this weekend, we'll give you up to $2,500 off of the price of the new unit. As well, don't forget, the government is giving up to $2,000 in rebate money, and Duke Energy is giving rebate money as well. Give us a call if you run into any problems. We hopefully that you don't. You have a great 4th of July weekend. But if you do, we will be there within 90 minutes guaranteed. Call the number below, 407-465-7777. Have a safe, great 4th of July weekend. Make it a great day.